Friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Atelier channel, where I, Paige, recently decorated for Halloween. And I'm going to give us a pep talk in a 60-second video. Hi, how are you doing? Me too. Right now, and a good way to stop us from feeling quite so is to dive into our stories and start creating. Writing can be a wonderful escape, but sometimes when you are stressed out and you are anxious, all of that just kind of goes into the rest of your life. It can take over how it feels when you're sitting down and writing. And I know personally, I can have a lot of mean thoughts when I get anxious. And something I've been trying to do is separate those mean thoughts from my productive thoughts. So if I'm editing a paragraph, let's say, and I think, this paragraph is reading a little passive and I could do some work to make it more active and just flow a little bit better. That is entirely different from saying, man, this paragraph sucks. I suck at writing. I'm not any good. No. I'm not gonna say it's easy to recognize and banish toxic thoughts. It's not. However, one of the things we can start to practice, and that I'm actively trying to practice, is recognizing those thoughts so that when they pop up, I can take a step back and realize that I'm just being mean to myself. Is it kind? Is it constructive? Would you say it to a friend? If the answer to any of those questions is no, it's not kind, it's not a productive thought, it's just tearing you down, try to get rid of it. Whether that means just actively thinking something positive. Recently I made an affirmations board on Pinterest that I could scroll through, writing down all of those mean thoughts and tearing them up. Whatever you need to do, whatever is symbolically gonna make you feel like you're just pushing those thoughts away. Sometimes, as cheesy as it sounds, we need to just take a minute and remind ourselves that we believe in ourselves. I think a lot of times we look for that validation elsewhere. We want to hear it from our friends and family, but it also has to come from within. So I believe in myself, and I'm gonna do my absolute best to stop being mean. Am I gonna succeed every day? No, but I'm absolutely going to try, and I encourage you all to do the same. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all of the links below, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.